Welcome to Steady Trading MX. Today's our fourth video since we began to do this weekly chart review. Again, as last week, we are gonna talk about the Nasdaq 100 because this week happened something interesting. So let's start. Okay, before I start, please, I beg you, like my videos, subscribe to my channel, comment below, share with your friends, follow me on Instagram. You can see there a lot of more things. So I will start to draw trend line. Okay, in the last video, you can watch it. By the way, I drew some trend line. So this is the trend I drew in last video. Okay, let's see. We had last week, a couple of weeks ago, was the same. We drew this trend line. Okay, we have here a high, the all-time high, a higher low, next higher low, and as I said before, this trend line kept going like this. So last week we have to wait. We had to wait and see what will happen this weekend. And this week, look at this. This is beautiful. This will happen two different things. The first one is that on Wednesday, the Nasdaq 100 leave the bear market territory. On Thursday, that was yesterday. On Thursday, the Nasdaq again retraced that movement, that advance, and close below the bear market, so close below the 20% of the all-time high. So yesterday the Nasdaq was again in a bear market. Finally today, the Nasdaq 100 could close above this trend line and above the 20% of the all-time high. So now the Nasdaq is no longer in bear market as Wednesday, and it broke up this trend line, as you can see it. So the next move is to watch and see. As I said as well, we have here an important resistance. Let me do it. So I will draw this resistance. Look at this. This line, this horizontal line is also a resistance. It's a resistance level, this area. So next week we have to wait and see if the price will drop to here and close below this trend line and give us a setup, a bullish signal, or if the price will keep rallying till maybe the 50 moving average. Okay, so from my point of view, I could have entered long here. I will try to enter long here, at least in the index and the Nasdaq index in the Qs. But well, okay, that was maybe too aggressive. But now that we can see that finally the trend line is broken, it's a good sign. Today, as of today, this new trend line is here. This automatic that I put it automatic. This trend line, we can see that also here, like 1 month and a half passed. This setup was good and they broke that trend line. So what to do? That's the question. What should the investor or an active investor, a trader, do now that we see that the Nasdaq 100 is no longer in bear market and the price broke up the trend line? Today I'm only focusing on the Nasdaq. Every week I focus on one chart. Maybe next week I will talk about the S&P 500, but as well the S&P 500 closed good. I can say that. So all the markets, the Dow, the S&P 500, and the Nasdaq are looking good. So what should one do? If I'm a cautious trader and investor, I will wait till next week, Friday, and see what and how the signal here is given, the next candle how will be, how is it gonna be, cause it from that point we can now know if this is only a rally in a downtrend and it will keep in the routing for a while and make more lower lows, or if this candle, the next candle here, will close above this close of today and give a signal of a very potential entry. What I can say as well is that all the leaders, stock leaders, are also forming good bases. So maybe it's not now the time, it's not the timing to put your money in to work and to work. Maybe it's time to be in the sidelines, but not for long. Maybe not for long. So this candle, again, this candle closed here. We have volume. The volume is not fantastic, but overall, what I'm seeing here in the chart is good. So let's keep an eye on this level, okay? Right, almost right where it closed today. Let's keep an eye on this level. Let's keep an eye next week what the price will do here around this range, okay? And then from now we can decide if you want to, or anyone wants to go into the market, to the index and the Qs. We can part for that. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a short one. Have a great weekend. Please subscribe, comment, like or dislike my videos. I don't know, share with your friends, follow me on Instagram. Bye bye.